when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way.